Hello friends, welcome to the lecture Create a free trial account in GCP, which is Google Cloud Platform. Okay, so we saw like in the last section or last lecture, we want to install our CDH cluster on Google Cloud Platform. So in the short name as GCP, I call it the future is videos as well. So we are going to create a free trial account in GCP. Okay, to create a free trial account in GCP, we need to have an active Gmail account. Okay, so if we have already active Gmail account, just follow a couple of steps. Later, we'll actually enable the free trial account. So first, I will try to create a, new Gmail account. So just log on to your Google. Just open a browser and open a google.com or Google Coin. Okay, so you actually click on this create account uh, button. Okay, so once you get this page where you can actually provide your new account details, so you can provide first name, last name, and the Gmail ID which you want to have it for you. If already is the created by someone else, it will suggest you some options. You can change accordingly and provide your password and confirm your password. So once you provide this information, just say next. Then you can provide your phone number to get verified. It's optional, and also give your recovery email address. Suppose if you forgot password for this email account, you can just get the recovery password in recovery email. So for that purpose, you can provide the recovery email address and provide your date of birth and your gender. Once this is provided, you can just click next. So you will actually suggest you for phone verification. You can just if you want, you can just click on send, or you can just say not now. You can click. So I just given I clicked on the send button. So I just got the uh, um, 6-digit verification code on my mobile number. So basically, based on your the mobile provider and the country you belong to, you may get verification number in certain period, right? So I just immediately got it. So I just enter the 6-digit number and I'll verify it. Once I verified it, so my account is ready. I just click on yes, I am in, and it will ask you to look at the privacy and terms section and click on I agree button. Okay, so once after reading all this your terms and privacy condition, so it started opening my Gmail account. Okay, so once this is your Gmail account is ready, it will just show you this page saying welcome and have your email view default. What is the email view you want to have, the kind of theme you want to have for your email dashboard. So you can go with default or comfortable or compact. So I just go with the default one. So my Gmail account is ready. So now we will actually go to the Google Cloud Platform and enable our free trial account. So people who have already Gmail account, you can just start with this step. You can go open your browser and go to the google.coin or google.com based on your country, and then what you need to do is just type GCP console. You can just type a word in the Google search, GCP space console. So you will see the first search link itself, Google Cloud or GCP console. Okay, so click on that. So it will actually say welcome your username, and then it is asking you to accept the terms and conditions. So terms of service, just say I agree, and you can choose the country of your residence. Okay, so I living in the India. I'm living in the India. So I just choose India and click on this I agree and continue. Once you do that, it will start opening the page for getting the billing information. So so it will actually say that the dashboard, the console is ready. Okay, now we can actually activate your free trial account. So the GCP account is ready. Okay, so you can just go and use it, and you may get a bill for whatever the amount of service you use. So basically, it's what you use, what you pay, right? So pay as you use, kind of things, right? So, but we want to use the free trial account, which is actually Google Clouds gives 300 USD dollar free credit for the you can use it or you can avail it in within 12 months. Okay, so we are going to use that because you can use actually many services in the Google Cloud platform for freely for when you use with the use of your 300 USD credit. Okay, so we are going to use that because if I compare with other cloud providers, so Amazon gives free tier account, but the services you cannot use actually the service with the high configurations in Amazon AWS and in Azure, they give actually free trial account with 200 USD credit, but you can be only used in only 1 month. So that I also feel a little bit not comfortable. So I just going with GCP for setting up our CDH cluster. So just click on this try free trial account, or you can just click on this activate button, whatever you are convenient. Clicking on that. So once you click that, so you it will ask you for the country and also again click the terms of service and see click on continue. So once you say continue, so you need to provide your two information account in customer information and tax information. So in the customer information, provide individual or business that kind of drop down will be there. The tax information, whether you are unregistered individual or registered individual kind of thing, it will come. Then provide your name and address, okay, and also provide your city and the postal code, and then the state you live in, okay. So once you provide that, so you need to provide your card, okay. So they will charge you a little amount, okay. Basically for India they'll charge 1 rupee 1 INR just for verify your card. They'll return back your amount, okay. So no need to worry. So until you can use the 300 credits and they will charge you anything, okay. So once you complete the 300 credits, then you can actually if you want you can continue or you can shut it down, okay. So that's how you can use it. So provide your card. So only thing is your card should be, it can be either credit card or debit card, but it should have monthly recurring services should be enabled for your card. Okay, once you provide that card and start click on the start free trial uh, option, then it will ask you, it will prompt you, so it navigate to the third party, right, for verification. So just click on. So I'm using a city debit card, so it's going to navigate to the city the payment or verification page. So it's going to charge me 1 INR. So I just provide the OTP number and click next. So if you see here, the free trial account is ready for me. So thanks for signing up for 12-month free trial. So they given me 300 USD dollar. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to set up the CDH environment. Okay, I'm going to create a compute engine, which is a service used to create a virtual machines. I'm going to use it and set up the CDH cluster. So that's how we'll do it. So basically, this is the console of GCP. Once this is created, there will be a default project which is created for you, which is my first project, and you get the project ID and project number. So basically, all your billings will comes to this project. Okay, so whatever you use. So let's see how much amount I got it. So you can go to the all this are the navigation of. So if you go here, so in the left side you will see the menu. Okay, that menu will show you different services where you can navigate. So if you go to the billing section, we'll see how much promotional credit we got. So 300 USD, which conversion to Indian currency INR during that the current period. So it is coming around 21,531 rupees. Okay, so let's with this amount, let's create our environment and do the stuff. Okay. Okay, see you in the next video for creating the virtual machine as well as the setting up the CDS cluster. Thank you so much, friends. See you in the next video.